Hey there! Today we're diving into a fun problem with cycles and lists. The problem at hand involves creating a function called cycle_sublist that takes a list, a starting index, and a step value. The challenge is to iterate over the list, cycling through its elements until we reach the starting point again or cross it. Detecting when this cycle is complete can be a bit tricky, but fear not, we have a solution for that. Let's talk about the solution. The cycle_sublist function provided tackles the problem efficiently. By initializing an index at the starting point and iterating over the list based on the step value, the function cleverly handles the cycle detection. The key lies in not restricting the index within the list's length, but using the modulo operator to wrap around the list seamlessly. This approach simplifies the cycle detection logic and ensures a smooth iteration through the list, capturing the desired sublist effectively. In summary, the cycle_sublist function elegantly solves the cycle detection problem within the list iteration. By leveraging the modulo operator and a straightforward loop structure, the function successfully generates the sublist as required. Next time you encounter a similar challenge, remember this neat solution to effortlessly handle cycles in lists. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below. Stay curious and keep coding.